Outpress. Originally Valmet leader in modernized campus.
Yeah.
Valmet also, but let's see.
Yeah, Valmet, I think.
Mm.
This building is from 1983, I think.
Yeah. It's hydraulic.
Yeah.
Okay. Can take one ride.
Yeah. Yeah, 1983 it says.
Mm-hmm.
Modernized in 2014.
Yeah, a little bit unnecessary.
Yeah.
And yeah. This number is VS6162. And the capacity is 600 grams. Third floor is the tallest one. Let's go there.
Yeah.
And 3 is locked. Okay. K12.
Yeah.
But one ride is enough.
Yeah.
Here at the Hervanta Campus. Tampere speaking of people in Finland. But I don't know the name of the sport. We don't know it.
Yeah, it's just building B.
Building B. It's on this side.
Yeah. It's pretty nice maintenance.
You can press the second floor.
Yeah. Huh?
What? Why?
Huh?
Huh? Oh, this is...
No, probably this side. I don't know. But
Yeah.
this was of course locked. Huh. It's very strange.
Very strange.
Yeah.
Okay, let's check the other elevator. We can go over there.
Yeah.
Application.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's